7 energy centers of our bodies and working with some healing crystals and talking about how we can use tools like crystals, for example, to unblock any kind of stuck or negative energy.
I have a basement. I'm like halfway dressed for it. How are you?
I actually want you to close your eyes. I want you to take a nice, deep breath. Pull the energy up through your feet as you breathe. Breathe up. Take a deep breath. Up into your belly, up into your chest. Breathe it up into your throat. Fill the top of your head. Hold it and just let a big You're here. You're in this space. You've set this time today to be with yourself. Kids are driving you crazy. Partner's driving you crazy. Work is driving you crazy. The news is driving you crazy, right? One of the things that I do is I go outside barefoot with some oil. And I take 5-10 minutes and it's instantly a new world for me. You might want to grab some peppermint. If you're feeling like, you're also spinning out of control, for me, I love cedarwood in those moments. And lemongrass is just one of those happy oils that's just very purifying, very cleansing, and it feels like and smells like probably your favorite spa or when you got a massage, right? So for me, it's instant relaxation. Just love yourself. Love up on yourself, people. When the energy is stuck, and it can also be overactive, which can create a set of problems for you as well. Things go awry, whether it's physical pain, emotional pain, anxiety, stress, you're feeling stuck, you don't know where to go, you're confused, you have no clarity. It's all energy that you need to move, right? But when we're aligned, it's all about flow. It's all about harmony. It's all about peace. It's all about, being in your life, living your life with purpose. No, because he thinks that's we have this in all of us. These blocks can be serious, and you don't even know you have them. And you don't even know why, right? But we can find out why, which is good. Moving from the bottom of your body to the top of your head, there's the root chakra, the sacral chakra, the solar plexus chakra. Is this new for anybody, or I bet you just want to thank you? Heart chakra, your throat chakra, your third eye chakra, and your crown chakra. So sacral chakra, that's the chakra that represents how we connect with ourselves and others, how we accept ourselves and others. And the crystals on the table that you want to look for there are citrine and orange adventurine. Green adventurine, which is also a stone of luck and success, and also amazonite, which is another stone that I love, the stone of tranquility. Sure. You can combine stones. Absolutely. And I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. Highly recommend.
Not taking them all.
You can actually, I highly recommend you having 7 stones for your chakras. Right. Yeah. I had a chakra balancing session with a Reiki master. And I was laying on a table. Has anybody ever had this? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's amazing. So I was laying on the table, and she had, I don't even know how many stones. And she laid, first of all, when I walked in, she immediately said, your third eye chakra is blocked. Mm-hmm. Did you know that? I was meditating before you got here, and we're going to work on your third eye chakra. So immediately she put an amethyst stone on my third eye, and she worked down these energy centers in my body, from my crown to my root, and I had stones all the way down. Everybody knows where this one's located, right in our throat. And It's our ability to communicate verbally, and as I mentioned, it's about speaking our truth. And if it's blocked, you can manifest a lump in your throat. I don't even know how many doctors I went to describing this lump in my throat where they said there's nothing there. I felt, they always said to me, well, did food get stuck? No. You know, all of these questions, right? All this stuff, stuck I don't know, some kind of scopy thing down there, you know, to see. Nothing, right? There it was. No medical doctor is going to tell you, well, your throat chakra's blocked. Maybe you should wear a turquoise shirt and get an amazonite stone. And you know what I mean? Like, so that was my issue. I had this lump in my throat that never went away, but it's not here anymore. And if it's blocked, you might find yourself engaging in poor conversations. You might be speaking without thinking. You might be having trouble speaking your truth. I can't say too much about, like, speaking to my kids because I have one of them in the room right now. Everybody say hi to Ryan. Yeah, I think down there is some peppermint. Now
Can I say something?
of course,
Like,
yeah.
So the feeling, so that's an energetic block.
Mhm.
So it's the feeling of having a pit in your throat.
Mm-hmm.
It's like nothing happened. You have a thought. You encounter someone,
Mm-hmm.
and all of a sudden you have
Just
a pit in your
closed.
throat.
Yeah.
That's energy.
Yeah.
Right. So it's an energetic block. The same thing is something can happen, and you feel like you were kicked in the stomach.
Mm-hmm.
Again, no one kicked you in the stomach.
Yeah.
That's a manifestation of an energy block.
Yeah. Yes. You want to visualize. What do you want the stone to do for you? Right? Do you want to be more calm and more connected? Do you want that new job opportunity? Right? What is it? What is it for you? A very simple thing to do with visualization and crystals, and I actually do it a lot. Pick up a crystal. Don't think too much about it. Just pick it up. Put it in your hand. Close your eyes. Think of an intention. And imagine this white light. This white light is coming down from the sky and it's beaming through all of your chakras, from your root to your third eye, to your throat, to your heart, to your solar plexus, to your sacral, to your root, all the way down. It's touching your feet, it's filling your body, it's shooting through the earth, it's coming back up and it's landing in your hand and it's landing in that crystal with your intention. So set it, take a deep breath in, and let it go. And trust and believe. And one thing I like to do when I set my intention is I end it with, and so it is. It is. I see it, it's happening. Take what resonates for you from these messages, from these tools. I'm going to give everyone a pouch. If you'd like to take a pouch and pass them around. So, you can take holy wood, the Palo Santo. Everyone take a selenite wand. And wherever you feel the most blocked, please take a crystal for that.
Can we buy the other crystal?
Anything else,
And do you
I would appreciate your support, and it's for purchase. Rather than I have in stock here, so you're not missing anything. You can just, and we're actually going to do it because I want you to check in with yourself one more time. So we're going to do that. Take a deep breath, let it all